Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find the MAC address on Roku TV or either on streaming player. So a lot of people are facing this issue. So in this video I'll show you how you can fix this issue and enjoy your TV. So the first step is, as you can see, like there are a lot of people asking the same question. So here is the solution that you can try and let us know if it is working or not. So the first thing is from the choose your network screen. Like let's say when you open the TV and go to the settings, and from here that settings you will be able to see this option called the network screens. So just go to networks and select private network. So once you go into network, you will be seeing this section called private network. And once you're into the private network, your wireless MAC address will be displayed. Or let's say if you're not able to see on this option, like in the private network, so what you can do is just go to the about section of your TV, and once you're in the about, you will be able to find your MAC address of the Roku TV. So these are the two methods that you can try, and after that you will be able to see your MAC address on Roku TV.